Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make strawberry wine. We'll guide you through the straightforward process of creating your own delightful fruit wine at home. You'll learn about selecting the best strawberries, gathering necessary supplies, and following key steps for successful fermentation. By the end, you'll be ready to bottle and enjoy your very own handcrafted strawberry wine, a truly rewarding experience. To begin your winemaking journey, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 4 to 7 pounds of ripe strawberries, either fresh or frozen, along with 2 to 5 pounds of sugar. Don't forget your wine yeast, pectic enzyme, acid blend, and yeast nutrient. For equipment, ensure you have a primary fermenter, a 1-gallon carboy, an airlock, a straining bag, and a siphon. Cleanliness is key, so sanitize everything thoroughly before use. Now for the exciting part, preparation and fermentation. First, mash your strawberries in the primary fermenter. Next, dissolve your sugar in warm water and combine it with the mashed berries. Add the pectic enzyme, acid blend, and yeast nutrient. Rehydrate your wine yeast in a 1/4 cup of water for about 5 to 10 minutes before adding it to the mixture. Seal your fermenter with an airlock and let it sit for 1 to 3 weeks for primary fermentation, stirring gently once or twice daily. Once primary fermentation slows, it's time to rack your wine. Carefully siphon the liquid into a clean, sanitized carboy, leaving any sediment behind. Fit an airlock and allow the wine to age for 2 to 6 months or until it clears completely. When ready, siphon the clear wine into sanitized bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cork or cap your bottles, then store them in a cool, dark place. For optimal flavor, age your bottled strawberry wine for at least 1 to 3 months, or even up to a year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.